Bet you've heard of workout myths. We are here to debunk these myths. Myth number 1. The heavier the weights, the bulkier. Myth number 2. To fast and work out or not to? That is the question. Myth number 3. Cardio is the only effective way. Myth number 4. Spot reduction. Myth number 5. Rest days are not necessary. What if we tell you that we have debunked these myths and that How to Be is here to explain these myths further and tell you exactly what you need to do to achieve that body you've always wanted? Before anything else, make sure to like and subscribe to How to Be so you can access more of our videos similar to this. Ready? Let's begin. Myth number 1. The heavier the weights, the bulkier. A common misconception about heavyweight training, especially among women, is that lifting heavy weight will lead to a bulky-looking physique. It's true that lifting heavy will promote hypertrophy in muscles, leading to a size increase. However, the idea that it leads to a bulky look is untrue. The true culprit that leads to bulky physiques is fat accumulation. Excessive body fat is what causes both men and women to look bulky. The most important aspect of someone's physique is his or her body fat percentage. A good physique nearly always requires a fairly low body fat percentage to achieve. Lifting heavy can help accomplish this. Heavyweight training has a plethora of benefits that can help develop muscle, shed fat, and ultimately lead to anyone's desired physique. But keep in mind that any exercise regimen is only as good as the diet that goes with it. In terms of physique changes, diet accounts for far more than the exercise itself. Myth number 2. To fast and work out or not to? That is the question. Summing up, the strategy to perform cardio on an empty stomach is misguided, particularly for physique athletes. At best, the effects on body composition won't be any better than if you trained in a fed state. At worst, you'll lose muscles and reduce total fat loss. So, if you should eat, what should you eat prior to cardio? The answer depends on several factors, including the duration and intensity of training, the timing of previous meals before the cardio session, and individual genetics. A good rule of thumb is to consume appropriately 1/4 gram of carbohydrate and 1/8 gram of protein per pound of your ideal body weight, which may differ from your actual weight. Summing up, the strategy to perform cardio on an empty stomach is misguided, particularly for physique athletes. At best, the effects on body composition won't be any better than if you are trained in a fed state. At worst, you lose muscle. Myth number 3. Cardio is the only effective way. Contrary to conventional wisdom, dedicating your fitness regimen to only running or cardio-based exercises in general will result in weight loss in the long run. Without a doubt, cardio is good for keeping your overall health in the pink. However, when it comes to losing the extra pounds, spending too much time running, swimming, and the like will prevent weight loss. One of the reasons is that too much cardio causes muscle atrophy, loss of muscle mass, and muscles are required to keep our metabolism up. When your muscle mass starts to drop, so will your metabolism, leading to weight gain as your body now requires fewer calories to function on a daily basis. Besides, excessive cardio can cause an increase in cortisol, a stress hormone in the body which impedes fat loss. Many people believe that the longer distance they run, the more calories they burn. While this is not entirely false, bear in mind that the body is a smart mechanism and will become more and more efficient as your training progresses. This means that your body is using fewer calories for the same or even longer distance covered. So, the best way to lose weight is to follow a series of programs from experts who have already combined different exercises and diets that would suit best for your body. Number 4. Spot reduction. The theory behind spot reduction is that when you exercise a set of muscles, fat is lost in that area. For example, if you perform abdominal exercises, you'll drop stomach fat. While spot reduction might seem like simple common sense, the reality is different. One example is the crunch, a popular abdominal exercise. When you perform a crunch, you strain your ab muscles. If you keep doing crunches regularly, your ab muscles will grow larger and stronger. At the same time, every body movement uses energy. When food is consumed, excess calories are transformed into stored subcutaneous fat. This process is reversed in exercise, when calories are metabolized into fuel for the muscles. Since working out makes your body use up calories, any sort of exercise will help you drop the pounds. This means working your abs will help you lose stomach fat. But no more than it will help you lose weight from the rest of your body. When the body resorts to burning fat stores, it doesn't use the stores nearest the muscles being flexed. Instead, fat from the entire body is burned. Blasting a given muscle group may be valuable exercise, just don't expect it to spot reduced fat. Myth number 5. Rest days aren't necessary. We are always told to stay active and get regular exercise. But whether you're training for a competition or feeling extra motivated, more isn't always better. Rest days are just as important as exercise. In fact, a successful fitness regimen isn't complete without rest days. Taking regular breaks allows your body to recover and repair. It's a critical part of the progress, regardless of your fitness level or sport. Otherwise, skipping rest days can lead to overtraining or burnout. Burnout equals quitting, so make sure you have time to relax. In a nutshell, don't always believe all the fitness articles you see. Well, except for these ones we just debunked. Losing weight is never easy, but it's not impossible as long as you put your heart and mind to it. Let us know what you think. Make sure to like and subscribe, and hit that notification bell to access more of our videos. Thank you very much for watching, and until our next How to Be video.